If we mix Dominar 400 and NS 200, we'll be getting this. So this is all new NS 400Z from Bajaj, and this is how it's look. So this bike have chassis and engine from Dominar 400 and the entire body functioning from NS 200. So अगर हम front की बात करें, so we have NS 400Z का branding here. We have hazard lights, we have LED lights here, we have one projector here which is quite powerful. Then अगर हम नीचे साइड देखें तो we have dual channel ABS का branding here. We have 43 mm upside down forks here. We have 320 mm front disc. Tires from MRF which is 110 70 17. Caliper is from Gamaka. We have same engine from Dominar 400 which is 373cc with 39.4 bhp at 8800 rpm, 35 Nm torque at 6500 rpm. Then अगर हम ऊपर साइड देखें तो we have Pulsar का branding here, NS का branding here with some good skin colors, and tank capacity is 12 liter. Then we have a same design from NS 200 right here. We have 230 mm disc here, same caliper as we have in front. Rear tire which is 140 70 17. To be honest, the tire quality is not that good. अगर हम बैक साइड देख रहे हैं तो is as similar as NS 200. We have Sari guard here. We have a different swing arm which is not in NS 200, neither in Dominar 400. We have fuel injection in the bike, and this is the kind of bike you will be get to see. If we come in the front, the main part is here. So before we move forward in the video, I would like to thank Shaurya Bajaj for providing me the bike. Shaurya Bajaj, Akurdi mein, if you want to purchase any bike from Bajaj, you can come to Shaurya Bajaj. You will be getting some great bikes here. So this is the view what you will be getting while riding the bike. And we have mirrors from Dominar 400. Dominar is right there. We have mirrors from Dominar 400. Then if we see the front, ऐसे कुछ cluster हमको देखने मिलता है which is very cluttery. We have switchable traction control in the bike. We have ABS, we have neutral symbol, we have upper dipper and some basic signs in the bike. अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो we have RPM right here, we have clock, we have gear indications here which is 1 to 6, then we have odometer here. So after so long, finally we have riding modes here in Bajaj bike. So riding mode में हमारे पास है road mode, sport mode, rain mode and off road. Then if we come here, we have multi-info display. So it will give you all the information about your bike. Camera में flicker हो रहा है, not in the bike. So we have menu here, we have set buttons here, we have all the functions about the bike here, upper dipper and pass light. We have indicator button here, we have a decent horn. We have light button here which is not that great, it's like literally moving. We have hazard button here, then we have kill switch and button start here itself. So if we just click it, this is how the bike is going to sound. Okay, perfect. We have vehicle information right here. Vehicle information में अपने को trip and all the details about the bike you will be get to see here. We have Bluetooth on off here. We can connect your phone here. You will be getting all the notifications about your messages and calls right here. You can have the access of the music from here itself. Then you have trip of your bike. Then we have lap timer. And you have Bluetooth connectivity here and some music information. Then you have timer, lap times here. Then some settings. In settings you will be getting some favorite option, quick selectors, dead and clock and brightness. मुझे personally ये blue इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा है, तो I can just go here and control the brightness from here itself. So after riding it for a few kilometers, I have realized that this is the pocket rocket what you can have. If you are just functioning the rear brake, then there is some issues with the brake. It's not, taking a bite. So there is a reason behind it. Because of the tires, brake का bite इतना नहीं मिलता. At the same time, the tire distance एज कम्पेयर टू डोमिनोर 400 एंड NS 200, इसका डिस्टेंस थोड़ा छोटा किया है बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉस्ट कटिंग. दैट इज द रीजन आपको प्रॉपर बाइट नहीं मिलता है व्हेन इट्स कम टू रेयर ब्रेक. सो सिटिंग पोजीशन इज गुड. दिस पर्टिकुलर बाइक इज गेटिंग एडजस्टेबल ब्रेक एंड क्लच लिवर्स, सो यू कैन एडजस्ट इट हियर. व्हेन इट्स कम टू हैंडलिंग, इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट if you are comparing it with other bikes. Because of the weight, it's not that heavy, and उसी के वजह से बहुत सारे issues आते हैं handling में. If you are just looking a bike which is good for your short rides, a breakfast ride or a city tour, this is the perfect bike, but it's overpowered, as I can say, because if you are just switching off the traction control, then you will see some amazing wheelie popping up. And yeah, this is pretty much, I pretty much like the bike, to be honest, because of the power. It's pretty much reminding me of Duke 390. I can say this is the perfect pocket rocket what you can have for your short spin. And if you are looking for a long ride, because of the tank capacity, you won't be able to cover the longer distance. So this is it for this video. I hope you got some information from this video, and I hope you like this video as well. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. And if you want to get any of the bike from Bajaj, you can come to Shaurya Bajaj. Once again, thank you so much Shaurya Bajaj for providing me this bike. And I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Ciao.